How to access a Telegram channel which cannot be displayed. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to access a Telegram channel which cannot be displayed. First of all, open the Telegram app to access Telegram channels. What you need to do is open up the App Store and click on the search bar. After that, search here for Nicegram app. Then click to install the Nicegram app. If you have it, then click to open it. Once you get into its app, click to continue, and then search for your country and enter your phone number here. After that, click to continue, and you will receive a verification code on your Telegram app. Then, open up the Telegram app and you will find the code in here. Get the code and paste it back in Nicegram, and it will get you into your Nicegram account. Now open up the Telegram app, then search here for Nicegram bot. After that, click to open it and tap to start it from here. Now you need to select both of its options it provides. And after that, you will be able to access the channel which cannot be displayed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.